How to see Roblox purchase history. How to see Roblox purchase history. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. You cannot look at your purchase history of Roblox on your app, so simply go to Google Chrome and type roblox.com, and here click on continue in browser. Log into your account. After you've logged into your account, click on Robux located on top right, and then go to My Transaction. In here, you'll find type of transaction. You can also search as date range. In here, you'll find all the purchase history of your Roblox account, and that's how you see Roblox purchase history. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.